Good morning, children. How are you today? Hope you all are doing well. So, I hope you all did the practice of abacus. Yeah? How did you do the practice? Let us begin with the counting, quick counting first, and then we are going to move on to the worksheets. Fine? So, let us begin counting with one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Now see, the value of this abacus is 100 now. Now I hope you must have done this practice thoroughly. And now let me show you few of the numbers and you try to guess it. Let's start. Which number is this? 2, 5, 25. Very good. Another one. 3, 7, 37. Very nice. 5, 4, 54. Very right. Now this time it's 100, 100. 9, 4, 94. 4, 9, 49. 50, 50. Very good. 85, 85. Very nice. So children, keep practicing this way so as to become thorough with your abacus, to become more and more familiar with your soroban. Now these are the worksheets that we are required to do now. Now 2 worksheets we are going to do here in the class, and 2 worksheets, similar kind of 2 worksheets I'll be giving you for home tasks. So I will be attaching all 4 worksheets. The first one I attached in my previous video. You must have done the practice with that. Now this time we are doing same kind of worksheets to give more practice to you. I am taking up. So it's worksheet number 2 and 3 we'll be doing in the class. 4 and 5 you have to practice yourself at home. Now right now I'll be attaching all these 4 worksheets for you, so that if you want more practice, you can practice 2 and 3 again by taking the prints and doing it. So again, I'll be attaching them in the description of the video. So let us begin with the first one. Now here beads are given and we have to identify the value and write here. Let us count and write. Try to do without counting. Have a look. 2, 2, 5, 25. So here we have to write 2, 5, 25. So this way the value of this abacus is set at 25. Now move on to the next one. It's only number 2. Yes, it's only number 2. Now the next one, 7 and 3. So what's the value of this abacus? 73. Very right. Now the next one, 5, 1, 51. Very good. So this way we have to count and find out. With more and more practice, children, you will not be required to count. You will quickly just have a look and you will be able to tell the numbers which are showing, which are being represented by the abacus. So the next one is 9 to 92. Great. Now I think we should complete this upper part of the other worksheet also first, and then we'll come on to the drawing of beads. So this one is 7, 3, 73. Good. This one, 8, 4, 84. Very right. The next one, 1 and 1. 1, 1, 11. Next one here we have 9 and 1, 91. And the last one is 5, 6, 56. Now children, I will tell you something very important here. You know, we should not actually call it 2, 5, 25, 7, 3, 73. No, it's actually the tens rod. So this is 20 and 5. So this is 20 and 5, 25. This is 2. This is 70 and 3, 73. This is 50 and 1, 51. 90 and 2, 92. 70 and 3, 73. 80 and 4, 84. 10 and 1 makes 11. 9, 1, 90 and 1, 91. 50 and 6, 56. So actually we should say this way. So now onwards, as you are familiar with the abacus now and you are familiar with both the place values, tens and ones, so you should start saying this way now onwards. Now let's come to the next part. Here we have to draw the beads. Let's start drawing the beads. Here we have 60 and 1, 61. So in the first rod, in the tens rod, let's make 60 and make sure the beads that you are drawing should touch the horizontal bar in the center. This is 60 and 1. Fine. Some of the children, what they do is they make 8 like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. No, this is wrong. This is absolutely wrong. We don't have to show the beads like this. The first and foremost rule is to make the beads touching the horizontal line. So that way only we have to do by touching the horizontal line. So here we are making 8. So the beads should touch each other the way they touch in the actual abacus. This way. 8, 3, 83. Now here we have 10 and 6. So this is for 10 and this is for 6. So it has become 16 now. Now we have to make 42. So while speaking also you are saying 42. That means it's quite clear 40 and 2. Whenever we are splitting the numbers, it's 40 and 2. 42. Not 4 and 2, 42. Now comes the next one, 30. So For 30 only the 3 beads on the tens rod this way. Now let's do it on the next one. 59. So 50 we have made here, and now on the ones rod we have to represent 9. 50 and 9, 59. Now here we have 70 and 1, 71, 90 and 2, 92. So here we make 90 and here we have 2, so it's 92. Now next one is 10 and 4, 14. This is 10 and this one is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now comes the last one, 26. So how to do it? 20 and 6. So let's make 2 beads in the tens rod here, and 6 we have to represent on the other one. So it's 20 and 6, 26. So this is how we have to do rest of the worksheets. They are also similar ones. And don't forget to practice counting 1 to 100 on your Soroban. Fine. Now I will see you next time. But then you have to complete these worksheets and send me personally on WhatsApp. You all, those who have already filled the form, they have got from my personal WhatsApp number, they have got the link for the video number 3. So same way you will get the link to video number 4 also. And you have to submit the worksheets to me personally. Fine. So see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.